In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen in Microsoft Teams. If you need to present information, walk someone through a document, or show what's happening on your computer during a call, screen sharing in Microsoft Teams is one of the most useful features to know. The good news is that it's very simple once you know where to click. To get started, join your Microsoft Teams meeting. You'll want to make sure you're fully inside the meeting window before looking for the sharing controls. Once you're in, take a quick second to confirm that everything you may want to show is already open on your computer. This can help you avoid delays or unnecessary switching once you begin presenting. Next, look toward the top right area of the meeting window and click the share icon. This is the button that opens Teams screen sharing options. After you click it, a panel will appear that lets you decide exactly what you want other people in the meeting to see. At this point, choose what you want to share. This is an important step because Microsoft Teams usually gives you a few different display options depending on your device and setup. For example, you may be able to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a particular piece of content. Choosing carefully helps keep your presentation focused and can also protect anything private that you don't want visible. Then choose one of the available options. If you select your entire screen, everyone in the meeting will see everything on that display, including any apps or tabs you switch between. This can be helpful if you need to move between multiple programs. If you choose a single window instead, only that app or window will be shared, which is often a better choice when you want to keep notifications or other desktop activity hidden. Before you continue speaking or presenting, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm that sharing has actually started. Teams usually gives a visual indication that your screen is live, so look for that confirmation in the meeting window. Once it's active, you can continue with your presentation as normal. A helpful tip is to close anything unrelated before sharing, especially if you're using full screen sharing. That keeps your screen clean and makes the experience more professional for everyone watching. And that's all it takes to share your screen in Microsoft Teams. Once you know where the share icon is and how to choose the right display option, presenting during a meeting becomes quick and easy.